What's going on, Skid? Got a Goodman AC unit not coming on. Thermostat is blank. Check the old float switch. Hopefully it'll just be an easy fix. Oh yeah, we're full of water. Sweet, easy fix. Go suck it out. See if the fan is clogged. No, it's dry. Alright, I'll go outside and suck it out. This is a little lower than I like it. I like it to be above the pan here. Little low. Alright, that restored power to the thermostat. Just by pulling that out, I'm going to run downstairs and suck out the drain line. Usually at these apartment complexes they want all this fancy pine straw that turns gray after a month. Then they bury the drain lines. I mean, this is one, but there needs to be 3 out here for 3 apartments, 3 stories. Let's see. Everything's clear. There was no water in the pan. It's just the float switch was filled up. Easy fix. It's going to be cranking off here soon though, guys. It's only 53 degrees outside, so I won't be checking pressures or anything. But I'm going to fire it up just to make sure it fires off. Just not enough load to check pressures. Alright, I'm waiting through the infamous delay. See how the thermostat is blinking cool on? That means it's in delay. So they also said that their dishwasher isn't draining. Hoo! Yeah, that's not draining all right. It's slap full. So we'll work on this while we're waiting on the delay. I hear it draining. Alright, I'm gonna have to dig into this a little more. See if the disposal's working. Yeah, disposal's working. Who knows, maybe they cut it off in mid-cycle. Alright, the air handler's running. Go check the condenser. Yep, condenser's pumping out here. And like I said earlier, it's 53 degrees out here, so there's just not enough load to get an accurate pressure reading, so I won't be taking pressures. But they just wanted it to come on, so we're good to go. Well, geez, no wonder it's not draining, guys. What's that, paper towel in here? It's covering that grate there. Yeah, it's not gonna drain. Alright dudes, the AC is running. I'm gonna have to deal with this. A day in the life of a maintenance guy. But the AC is good to go. Easy fix. And summer is right around the corner and it's going to start cranking off a little more complicated stuff than float switches. Alright, so thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.